In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how you can activate the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the mentioned number line. From here, you want to tap on this gear icon, or you can also go here, open the quick settings, expand to more settings, go for the system settings, scroll all the way down here, head straight for the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, go for preferences, and in here just turn on the number row toggle, and as you will see now, the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.